I just don't know the spots over here. I mean, babe, look at my little guy. See it? Oh, there's like 3 right there. They're small though. Little pan size. Oh, the heck. I wonder how the tournament's gonna be with with all these fish being small. But I think this is stocked all the time, and it's cold up here, so the trout probably get pretty big.
Do they tag their fish?
They used to do a $50,000 tagged fish, 50,000, but they stopped that. You got one? You hit it? 50,000, babe, right? But nobody would never catch it, so now they're doing a $3,000 one. I'm getting a little hit. They're not. I think even my mini jig's too big for these little guys. Look at that. My bobber's probably even too big. He can't even take it down. Look at. Oh, he's on there. This little guy. It's small. Make it feel like a big fish. It's a little bit bigger than the other ones, babe, but they're still small. Let this guy go back. Let him go back to get bigger. I heard they got brown trouts in here too. Now that would be cool. Oh, cool, I didn't have to release them. There it is. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for the fight. What a rush.